Zoom AMS 24. This is an audio interface and it runs on AA batteries. Let's take a look all around. So we can do a 1/4 inch input for your guitar or bass or even keyboard. But these are dual purpose, so you can do XLR. So you can actually connect two mics. Right here, we can also have two headphones, A and B, so you can have two people listening in on monitoring. So you have direct monitoring on, loop back here. We have the out. Okay, so you have 1/4 inch out. You also have DC 5-volt power, so that's gonna you can also power it. You don't need batteries. You can power it via USB-C, DC 5-volt. And there's your USB connection out to either your phone or your PC. Right here, you can have just music or streaming, and then these are your volume knobs for your headphones. Okay, and here are your input signal. This is your gain for anything that you put into these two inputs right here. And then you can also have mic or guitar like that. But let's put the batteries in. It uses AA batteries. These are more convenient. We don't have to have it all plugged in all the time. It does take two AA batteries. And by the way, you got also here, so you can actually clip it onto something if you needed to do that. But yeah, let's turn it on. So right here is your battery power. Oh, by the way, you also have 48-volt phantom power as well if you need that for some of your mics. There's the power button right there. And then when you're ready to start recording your guitar or your vocals, either one, you can do both at the same time, or you can just have one. You can just turn that off. But there you go. Zoom AMS 24 for music and streaming.